Hi, today's video is what is an access control list, or an ACL, or sometimes known as an ACL. And it is a way of managing access control to a system or resources of some type, unsurprisingly. And it's a way of doing so in a list. It's not the only way of doing access control, but it's a very common one. So you might say that this entity has access to these resources under these circumstances, or can do certain things with them. So one example that's very often used is the Linux or the Unix file control system, where you might say that a particular user or group of users can write to a file and read to a file, but not execute that file or run it as a binary, whereas other users might just be able to read it, or other users might be able to do all the things that I've talked about: read, write and execute to it. So that's a list with a set of entities and a set of things they can do with that resource. Another thing that's interesting is you may control the that access using allow and deny lists. So you're combining allow and deny lists, which we've talked about in other videos, to put it all together. So you say some may be allowed, some may be denied. ACLs are used across the industry. Really useful thing to understand. Can get quite complex, and there are times when actually things can get too complex. You need to break things down and say, is this the best way of doing it? Sometimes just because something is the obvious way and the most simple way of doing it doesn't mean that it's most applicable for more complex use cases. So do think about that as you're considering what controls to use. So that's ACLs, ACLs, access control lists. If you have questions about this or any other topic, please get in touch. I'll try and help you, give you a definition or an explanation of what it is you're interested in. Please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.